Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Academy. I'm Lena.
And I'm Sam. We're really happy you're here with us today to practice your English.
Today's topic is something all of us have, every single day.
Yes, we're going to talk about daily life, our normal day from morning to night.
This is a perfect topic for beginners because we can use simple words and very common verbs.
And you can copy these sentences to talk about your own day in English.
All right, Sam, let's start at the beginning of the day, the morning.
Yes, the morning. Are you a morning person, Lena?
Not really. I do not like getting up early. My bed feels too comfortable.
I am the opposite. I like mornings. I usually wake up early, around 6:30.
Wow, that is early for me. My alarm rings at 7:30 and I usually think, no, 5 more minutes.
Do you press the snooze button?
Yes, sometimes 1 time, sometimes 3 times. So I do not always get up when I should.
I see. When my alarm rings, I get up quite fast. I sit up, stretch, and go to the bathroom.
So first action, wake up, then get up, then go to the bathroom.
Exactly. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and sometimes I take a quick shower.
I like a hot shower in the morning. It helps me wake up. After that, my brain finally starts working.
Then, of course, comes the most important part, coffee.
Yes. Coffee is my best friend in the morning. I like coffee with a little milk and no sugar.
I drink black coffee, just coffee and water, strong and simple.
While I drink my coffee, I usually check my phone. I look at messages and maybe the weather for the day.
I try not to look at my phone immediately. I like to sit near the window, drink my coffee quietly, and look outside.
That sounds peaceful. Maybe I should try that instead of reading emails right away.
So, after coffee, what do you eat for breakfast, Lena?
On busy days, I just eat toast with butter or jam. On relaxed days, I eat yogurt with fruit.
That is nice. I usually have oatmeal with banana or sometimes eggs if I have more time.
After breakfast, it is time to get ready for the day, shower, get dressed, and so on.
Yes. I choose my clothes, get dressed, and check my bag, wallet, keys, phone. Then I am ready to leave.
You always check for your keys. I often forget my keys and have to come back.
That happens to me with my umbrella. If it rains, I always forget it somewhere.
So we are dressed, we have breakfast, now it is time to go to work.
How do you go to work, Lena? Do you drive?
No, I usually take the metro. The station is close to my apartment.
Is it busy?
Yes. In the morning it is very crowded, many people, many bags, not many seats. I stand and listen to music or a podcast.
So you commute by metro. I usually ride my bike to work.
Really? That sounds healthy?
It is. It takes about 20 minutes. I like the fresh air, and I do not have to sit in traffic.
Okay, so now we both arrive at work. What do you do first, Sam?
When I get to the office, I go to my desk, turn on my computer, and check my emails. After that, my day is usually full of lessons and meetings. I teach students, plan future classes, and talk to colleagues.
My day is mostly at the computer. I work as a designer. I open my design programs, look at projects, and create graphics.
Do you like your work?
Yes, I do. It can be stressful sometimes, but I enjoy being creative. What about you?
I like teaching a lot. It is busy, but interesting. Every student is different.
Around what time do you usually have lunch?
Usually around 1 p.m., sometimes at 12:30. I often bring my lunch from home.
What do you bring?
Maybe rice with vegetables, or a sandwich and some fruit. What about you?
I am not as organized. Some days I bring lunch. Other days I buy lunch from a small cafe near the office.
It is easy to buy food, but it can be expensive.
Yes, that is true. When I buy lunch, I like soup or a salad. On Fridays, sometimes I get something special, like a burger.
After lunch, we both go back to work and continue our tasks.
But around 3 p.m., I always feel tired. My energy goes down.
Me too. I think many people feel sleepy in the afternoon.
Do you drink more coffee?
Sometimes I drink tea in the afternoon instead of coffee, and I usually have a small snack, like an apple or some nuts.
I like a snack too. Sometimes a banana, sometimes a cookie.
Cookies are good for the soul.
So we work until the end of the day. What time do you usually finish work, Sam?
Around 5:30 p.m., sometimes 6 p.m., and you?
I usually finish around 5 p.m. Then it is time to go home again.
I ride my bike back home. If the weather is nice, I enjoy the ride and relax my mind.
I take the metro again. In the evening, it is still busy, but not as full as the morning. Sometimes I just look out the window and think about my day.
When you get home, what is the first thing you do?
First, I take off my shoes, put my bag down, and say hello to my plants.
Your plants?
Yes, I have a few small plants. I always check if they need water. What about you?
When I get home, I put down my bag and say hello to my dog.
Oh, you have a dog.
Yes. His name is Toby. He's always excited when I come home. He runs around and wags his tail. After that, I usually change my clothes. I take off my work clothes and put on something comfortable, like a t-shirt and soft pants.
Same here. I love changing into comfortable clothes. It feels like, okay, the workday is finished.
Then it is time for dinner. Do you cook, Lena?
Yes. Most days I cook dinner. I like simple things, pasta with vegetables or chicken and rice. I play some music and cook. It relaxes me.
That sounds nice. I also cook most days. Sometimes I make a big soup for 2 or 3 days.
And sometimes when we are tired, we order food, right?
Yes, that happens too. Pizza, noodles, something easy.
In the evening, what do you usually do to relax?
I often sit on the sofa and watch a series or read a book. Sometimes I play with my dog or go for a short walk with him.
I like to read or draw a little. Some evenings I talk with my family on the phone or send messages to friends.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I try to go to bed around 11 p.m. I brush my teeth, put on my pajamas, and sometimes read for 10 minutes before I sleep.
I usually go to bed a bit earlier, around 10:30 p.m. I like to get enough sleep so I can wake up early.
So you are really a morning person.
Talking about daily life is a great way to practice English, because you can talk about your own routine and ask about other people's.
Exactly. You can use simple patterns like I wake up at, as I go to work by, I have lunch at, in the evening, I go to bed at.
And you can ask questions like, what time do you get up? How do you go to work? What do you do after work? What time do you go to bed?
Now we have a question for you, our question of the day.
Are you a morning person or a night person? Please write your answer in the comments. For example, I am a morning person. I get up at 6 and I feel good in the morning. Or, I am a night person. I like to stay up late and I go to bed at midnight.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today and for practicing your English. Keep talking about your daily life in English, even to yourself, and you will get better and better.
Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next lesson from the English Academy. Bye for now.